Hi, I'm Fran, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to make your own short crust pastry. The only ingredients we need are flour, butter, salt, and ice cold water. Now that's the texture we're looking for. The pastries come away from the side of the bowl. It's really important for tender pastry not to overwork the dough. Now let the pastry rest in the fridge for an hour. And now it's time to roll the pastry. The trick when you're rolling pastry, especially lining a round flan tin, is to keep the pastry in as close to a circle as possible. So rolling from the middle to the out, middle and out to the edge. You can see we've rolled it out big enough to fit our tin. That's going to fit beautifully. So roll the pastry back onto the rolling pin. Then gradually ease it in to the tin and then ease the pastry into the sides. A great test kitchen tip is to just get a little bit of excess pastry and then dip it in flour, and then to get beautiful sharp edges at the base of the pastry, just press it in. And now to trim the top of the flan tin. And refrigerate for another 30 minutes. So our pastry case is nicely rested in the fridge, so now it's time to blind bake or pre-cook our pastry. I like to use scrunched up baking paper or foil, and then I'll line with ceramic pastry weights or even dried rice or beans. And now we'll just pop it in the oven. So our flan has been in the oven for 15 minutes. I'll take the pastry weights out and then back in the oven to fully cook through. And there it is, a beautiful buttery short crust pastry case ready to use in any sweet or savoury recipes.